Both soaked chia seeds and soaked almonds offer excellent nutrition, but they serve different purposes in your diet. Let's compare their key benefits. 1. Macronutrient comparison. Soaked chia seeds per to TBSP approximately 28 grams. Calories approximately 138. Protein approximately 4.7 grams. Carbs approximately 12 grams, mostly fiber. Fiber approximately 10 grams. Fat approximately 8.5 grams, rich in omega-3s. Soaked almonds per 10 almonds approximately 14 grams. Calories approximately 98. Protein approximately 3.5 grams. Carbs approximately 3 grams. Fiber approximately 1.3 grams. Fat approximately 8.5 grams, rich in monounsaturated fats. 2. Key nutritional benefits. Chia seeds. High in fiber, good for digestion and weight loss. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart and brain health. Contains plant-based protein, absorbs water, helping with hydration and satiety. Almonds. High in vitamin E, great for skin and immunity. Rich in monounsaturated fats, heart healthy. Contains more protein per gram than chia seeds. Improves brain function and memory due to riboflavin and L-carnitine, which is more nutritious for weight loss and digestion. Chia seeds higher fiber and satiety. For brain health and skin. Almonds higher vitamin E and good fats for omega-3s. Chia seeds for protein and energy. Almonds. Final verdict, both are highly nutritious but serve different needs. If you want better digestion and omega-3 south, go for chia seeds. If you need more vitamin E, healthy fats, and brain-boosting benefits, almonds are better. The best approach. Incorporate both into your diet.